Hello everyone. Welcome to scenario-based Tableau training offered by Rayapati Analytics. My name is Kalpana Rayapati. Visit our website rayapatianalytics.com and register to get the first 2 weeks of the Tableau training. Also, get the mobile app from Google Play Store by typing Rayapati Analytics and download the app. In this video, let us talk about a scenario. What is the scenario? Design a view to display quarter-wise profit and color it with year. Represent with bar chart. Of course, the spelling mistake is there. Represent with bar chart. Okay, please ignore the spelling mistakes. Now here, let us build this view. Again, you are talking about quarter here. That means you are talking something that is related to time series data. What are the fields that you are having that are related to time series data in Superstore? Order date and ship date. Let me take order date here. When I drag it for the first time, you know that you will get the highest granularity of the time series, that is years. The representation is coming in the form of year wise order date. Now here, what is that you are looking at? You are looking at quarter wise profit. Now, how to get the quarter here? Whenever you are dragging your order date here, if you observe here, you are getting one plus symbol here. So what is this plus symbol here? So this plus symbol, when I click on this plus symbol, what is that it is giving us? See here, you are getting quarter here. That means the next granularity in your time series data. Again, you are getting plus for this quarter. What is that you will get when you click on that plus once again? See, after clicking on this plus, for the granularities that are already in the view, you are getting this minus. See again, the next granularity of the date series, time series. What is that? Month you are getting. What happens if I click on this minus here? Again, you are coming back to the highest granularity. When you are clicking on this plus, you are going to the next level granularity in your time series data. Again, when you click it back, you are getting to the highest granularity. As I'm looking for quarter, I am clicking on this plus, I am getting this. Now here, I want to bring sales to the view. When I am bringing sales to the view, as we discussed, the default chart type for any of the time series data is the line chart. But here you are specifically asking to represent with bar chart. How can we change this from line chart to bar chart? You know the process. Here under marks card, you are having one drop down here. So here you can change from one chart type to another chart type. So here I am changing from line chart to. Now let me take this into the entire view. Now here for 2018, as you will have 4 quarters, you are getting 4 bars here. Now what is that you are asking here? Again, design a view to display quarter wise profit. I have taken sales, guys, my mistake. Let me bring profit here. Okay, fine. And color it with year. You want to color this view with the year. So again, just bring your order date to the color window. Now see, as you are asking to color it with year, for each year you are getting the same color here. For 2018, for all the 4 quarters you are getting blue color. For 2019, all the 4 quarters you are getting the same orange color. Let us discuss the same scenario. I am not changing the scenario, guys. Design a view to display quarter wise profit. But here you are showing years and your quarters, right? Now let us discuss the same scenario. I am performing the same scenario, guys, in the new sheet. What is that you want to show? You want to show quarter wise. Now here, by default, you will get the highest granularity of time series, that is year. When you click on minus, you are getting your quarter. I don't want to show the years. That is why whatever that year field is there, I am dragging that out from the view. Now I am getting quarters here. Now what is that you want to show? Quarter wise profit. Now I am bringing profit. Again you will get line chart. Again to change this to bar chart. But here just now we have seen in sheet 3 for each year 4 quarters. That means in total how many quarters data you need to represent here? 16 quarters data. But here you are getting only 4 quarters. That is also mentioned like quarter 1, quarter 2. That means whatever the quarters that you are getting here, these are representing the discrete quarters. Again, if I click on this T to get the mark labels, here you are getting some value. 48,024. What is this quarter 1 48,024 means? Let me explain you. Again, I am going back to this sheet 3 where I have shown all these values, right? Let me click on this T. Now here, the whatever the value that you got in sheet 4 for quarter 1 48,024 is nothing but the sum of 2018 quarter 1 plus 2019 quarter 1 plus 2020 quarter 1 plus 2021 quarter 1. By adding all these 4 values, whatever the value that you will get, that is nothing but this 48,024. That means this quarter 1 is representing all 4 years quarter 1s. So what is the proof that it is showing? Let me bring ordered date to the color. Now see, what are the colors that you are getting? For 2018 you are getting blue. For 2019 you are getting orange. For 2020 you are getting red. For 2021 you are getting this, what is this, pale blue, gray, something, some color. Let me change this to green. Where I can change this to green? Just go to edit colors in color window. I am selecting green here. Now you got this color. Now what is that value we got earlier? So here after bringing year to the color window, here you are getting some other view. That is another form of bar chart. These are called, this view is called stacked bar charts. And again, when you are getting your stacked bar chart, you are not getting the final value here. So how to bring that final value? Let us see in another video. But as of now, what is that 48,000? By adding all these 4 values, you will get that 48,000. Just to show you that, I am dropping this year in the color window. Let me take out this year from the color window. See, you got 48,024. But how can I show all the quarters in the view? Okay, let us learn about that in the future scenarios. Okay guys, thank you.